Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM SCAR H, and this has had a level 3 internal build. So it's got EagleSix upgraded spring, Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Firefly Hop Rubber and Prometheus Flat Nub, and it's also got a Gate Titan basic installed for the MOSFET. And obviously we've done a Dean's connector at the rear, and then we've replaced the fuse block with our EagleSix one, which obviously gives a bit more room for you to just fit this flush there just for convenience when on Dean's mods. And then that's about it on this one. We've got 269 on 3.2s, which is under the limit, and tested it at range, and it's currently set for shooting about 65 meters. So hopefully you enjoy it, and like I say, we spoke about obviously ammo. Definitely recommend those 3.2s. It probably would work okay on the 2.8s and stuff, but I think you'll enjoy those. So since we talked about the 2.8s, I actually had to reseat the hop rubber because I had a slight to the right that was going on, but we reseated that, and it's now passed on the accuracy testing, and we just want to just demonstrate it working now. Oh, BBs. So it's all tested and all working. If you get any problems, let us know, but otherwise hopefully the specifications to your liking, and yeah, hopefully it's everything you're looking forward to, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.